This is John Morehart from CTC Pressure Cleaning. We're in Punta Gorda Isles today. As we go by through the neighborhood, I see houses. For example, this house right here that's on my right hand side, I just did that house not too long ago. As you spend more and more time in the Isles, you realize that a lot of the issues that we have to deal with always seem to involve the black mildew that forms on pavers, on your roof, and we're here to serve you to clean and seal those concrete surfaces to greatly reduce the mildew, the black that you see from coming back.